Okay, so I logged on to my MetaQuest 3 today, and just so you know, I'm doing this whole video without controllers as much as I can because I honestly do think in the last update, the controller hand rudder setting did get a bit better. So we're going to go to settings. By default, it does take you to recently used. So you can see all of that stuff. And when I actually go to general, because I want to show you guys how to do it even without recently used. So go to general, click on software update. Okay. And as you can see, we do have a new software build available. Now I want to see if there are any changes because this is essentially a part 2 of what we already updated. Okay, so it doesn't look like that. Huh. Week of April. Oh, wait, here we go. Here we go. No, that's April. That's last month. Okay, so actually, let's go ahead, hit done real quick. That is version 1. V76 1.025. See, we're on 0.1025, excuse me. We're on 0.1021 right now, so I guess there was a minor update. Let's go back to the release so we can view it. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Build notes. Okay, here we go. Okay, they always did that. Okay. Here we go. Improved light display theme settings. Bug fix resolved various issues to enhance stability and performance. Okay, okay, okay. As you can see, I'm playing with the feature a lot. I do like this because this means that we will be able to hopefully work this quite better in the future when it comes to stuff. Because I hate to say what a lot of other people say, but I mean, this is the worst it's ever going to be as far as, you know, as they implement more AI type stuff. It doesn't say AI here, but I can only assume that how some of the stuff in the headset will work. I'm not an AI expert, but Meta does have an AI thing. If we go back to, oh yeah, I guess we just got hit done. Oh yeah, that's the thing. You guys saw me switch hands because this hand was getting a little bit tired, so I just switched to this hand. See, before a long time ago, you couldn't have them both on screen like that. Oh yeah, I should probably show you guys something also. Well, hit the Meta AI that I was talking about, but what I wanted to show you guys is not really that. It's advanced because I actually ran into a thing where some of these got turned off in one of the updates. So I had to turn it back on. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys be aware of that. Speaking of the update, and of course, speaking of the update, we are just going to hit update right now. You guys want to see the update in this video probably because we're just going to update it. Okay, we did click update now. Yep, it always does that. Settings. We can go back into settings and we should be able to see the upgrade process or the update process. Okay, I guess we can right now. Maybe this is one of the bugs that they're fixing. Remember, it said, wait, we're up to date now. It installed it. We didn't need a restart. I'm glad we went back here. See, look, it changed the build and everything. We literally didn't need a restart. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. That means, honestly, that means they might have gained the ability to actually do upgrades without the need to restart, or at least minor updates, because before it was all minor and major updates needed a restart. So it will be interesting if this does. Also, can I be perfectly honest? I really do like, wrapping this with my hand. It really is pretty cool. Yeah. And then this, I can actually, I don't know. I know it's probably like a novelty type whatever, but I really do enjoy it. It really does bring me joy. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end it off here. Okay. Enough of me just goofing about with my windows. Just me playing around with window to the end of eternity. Huh, that's interesting. Okay, well, I moved it way too close. Okay, now I will be honest, the hands do get warped sometimes and they feel a little bit interesting to me. They look a little bit interesting to me. Okay, well, I think I'm going to end it off here. And hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. At the very least, you got to see an update being installed without needing to restart the headset. I don't know if you guys know how cool that is because of the fact that I've always had to restart the headset because it always did like restart the headset to install the update, even if it's a minor update. So if they really do have the ability now to install minor updates without restarting the headset, I think that's a lot bigger than one might think. But I am going to actually end it up here. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.